Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add money into iMobile Pay. Now, iMobile Pay is a bank, like ICC Bank. It is a personal banking and net banking. So of course, you will need to apply online via this button, apply for account. Then of course, you gotta verify your ID, your password and everything. Then once you want to add money, go to accounts, press deposits. And then you can do a fixed deposit. You can do in different bands in different times, or you can do national pension, senior citizens, or you can do a mutual fund between two people. But there are other different services that you can do if you're looking to do your if you're looking to deposit via your income, or you're just looking to invest, or you just funds between you and your partner. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.